Hello all, in this video we will see how while loop and do while loop works. So in the previous video we saw how for loop works. It has an initializer, condition as well as iterator. But here in while loop it just requires expression as well as a condition body. So when condition evaluates to true, it executes the body, and when condition evaluates to false, it skips the body. So the expression may involve a condition, and the variance to the condition is done inside the while loop body. So there may be multiple statements. One of the statement will change the condition so that it may evaluate to false at certain point. So once it evaluates false, the condition will the loop will quit. So let us see an example. Here in this example we initialize a counter to 1. After that we place a keyword called while, and within parentheses we specified counter is less than 6. So when this condition now evaluates to true. Why? Because 1 is less than 6. Then it executes the two statement. The first statement actually prints whatever is the value in counter that will get printed in the console window. After that, if you see, we are incrementing the counter. That means this is how the counter get changed, and so each time the counter will get incremented, so the condition will evaluated at the end of the body. So the condition will be evaluated like this. First time it will be 1 less than or equal to 6. Next time it is 2 less than or equal to 6. Then 3 less than or equal to 6. And at certain point it will be 6 less than 6. So that time it will evaluate to false, and we will quit the while loop. So when we are working on the while loop, we should always make sure that at certain stage condition should return false. That way we will quit the loop. Sometimes if you form a condition and the condition, if that never changes, then we will end up in infinite loop. So infinite loops are dangerous. It hangs the system and consumes more CPU. Alright, let us execute this in Java and see how it works. Now if you see here, we have counter equal to 1, then we have a while loop. In the while loop we are framing a condition that makes use of the variable counter, and that counter is get incremented inside the body of the while loop. So after 5th iteration the counter will go as 6. So 6 less than 6 evaluates to false, and we will come out. So if you execute, you will see a number 1 to 5 get printed in the console output window. So if you see, so this is the system.out.print line, and we are printing the value in the counter. In the console window you are seeing numbers 1 through 5, and after that loop quits. So there is other form of while loop which is called do while loop. So first we place a keyword called do, then we will open our parentheses, we will place a set of statements. After that we will end the curly brace. So The statements within the opening and closing curly braces is the body of the loop here. Unlike normal while loop, in do while loop, the expression is evaluated after executing the last expression in the do while loop body. This means the loop body get executed at least once. Here in the picture, we are seeing that when expression evaluates to true, it goes back to the first statement of the do while loop and start executing all the statement within the body. Then it evaluates the expression. So the loop continues when the expression evaluates to true, and it comes out when the expression evaluates to false. Also notice that at the end of the while statement there is a semicolon, so it is required for the do while loop. Here is the example for a do while loop, and if you see here the counter is 1, and then we placed a do, opened a curly braces and closed a curly braces. Within that we have two statements. One prints the output in the console window, and the last statement increments the counter variable. So at the end of the loop we are actually checking the condition while counter is less than 6. So whenever the counter is less than 6, we will go to the first statement and execute the loop body. So we will come out of the loop when the counter exceeds the value 5. So the loop body get executed 5 times here. Here if you see, the body is get executed at least once. That means even in the initializing statement, if you put counter as 15, still the body get executed at least once. Why? Because there is no condition while entering the loop. But after executing the last statement, the condition statements comes into picture while counter less than 6. So if counter is 10, the body get executed at least once, and the expression evaluates to false, and we will come out. Alright, now we will experiment this in Java Eclipse. So we here have counter as 1. First we will execute this and we will see similar result. So the previous for loop returned 1 2 3 4 5, and here also the body get executed 5 times. Now what we will do, we will clear this console window and we will execute this one more time. This time I will keep 10. So if it is a previous example with while loop, we won't execute the body and nothing gets printed out. But here, since we are checking the condition at the end of the body, the statement gets executed at least once. That means in the console window you will see output as 10, then counter gets incremented to 11, then we will execute the condition 11 less than 6, so that evaluates to false, and we will come out. So let me execute, and you can see the result here in the console window. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. To get an update on the channel, click the subscribe button. It is at the end of the video, below the video. Yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye.